And this is Miami CO, Indiana. Thank you for joining me today. In the city of Peru, Indiana, it's January 5th, 2014, right in the middle of an enormous snowstorm. And it's very wet snow, and I'll show you that here in just a second. But anyhow, it's been coming down at a pretty good clip for about 8 hours. And we have about another 6 hours of the storm to go, expecting total accumulations between 12 and 18 inches. We have 10 new inches of snow so far today. So I'm going to show you how it's sticking to everything. It's very wet snow, as you can see on these trees. Unfortunately, also on the power lines. And one thing you don't want to lose is electricity in winter. Mostly gas furnaces also require electronic starting, so they don't even work. I'm going to show you these power lines here. And as you can see, they are encased in snow. Very pretty snowfall, very wet snowfall. Temperatures have been above freezing the entire event. It started snowing this morning about 7 a.m. Temperature was 34. It's now 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's 33 degrees. We've been above freezing the entire snowstorm. But that's going to change as an Arctic front comes through tonight. Instead of being out here with the calm 33 degrees, we're expecting wind chills negative 40 to negative 50 degrees. So quite a snowstorm for this area, for any area for that matter. This is where I've started shoveling some of my drive. But the very wet and heavy snow continues. This is Miami CO, Indiana. Till next time, I hope you're having a great day. And hopefully spring is not that far away. See you next time. So long.